There are many service providers out there, but we're sure you want a good one with professional touch. We have it.
Welcome to Dogs Paradise Resort Force-Free Boarding Kennel. Bright and spotless. Playground for tiny dogs protected with top mesh against predatory birds. Even 3 dogs feel comfortable. Dog run for family. Modern pet hotel. Oversized business class kennels. Just nice looking dogs. Individual feeding schedule. Individual playtime available. Variable bed sizes. Fresh air and 4 large playground. Individual dog runs. Treadmill exercises. Dogs and human reactive dogs welcome. Safe playground. Free access to dog run. Clean grass. Comfortable bed. Individual cats kennel. Huge kennels. Smile from guests. Fun in any weather. Bed from home also allowed. Unlimited treats. Small groups in daycare. Love and care from professional staff.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.